What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device path or file you may not have appropriate permissions on Windows 11. We will tell you the method and the step you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Disable antivirus. If you have any antivirus like Avast or AVG or any other antivirus, I suggest you to disable that antivirus and check if that helps you to fix your problem. There are a lot of ways to disable antivirus. You simply have to click on this upside arrow and you'll see antivirus. Do a right click and you'll get an option to disable that antivirus for an hour or like permanently or for 8 hours or something like that. You'll definitely get an option to disable that antivirus for a while, and after disabling that antivirus, click on Start, type Task Manager, click on Open. In here, click on Startup and you'll see the icon of that antivirus in here. Select that icon and click on Disable. I'm not saying you have to disable Windows security. If you have any third-party application like AVG or any other antivirus, I suggest you to disable it and turn it off completely for a while to check if that helps you to fix your problem. Method 2. Restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows 11 PC to the back date when it was working perfectly fine and it was giving complete permission to any path or files. For to restore your Windows 11 PC, click on Start, type here RSTIUI. You'll see this option, click on Open. Click on Choose a different restore point, click Next. Click on Show More Restore Point and you'll see a list of restore points. In here, select the date when your Windows 11 PC was working perfectly fine and you can see the timings in here. You'll see a lot of restore point if you have recently updated your Windows 11 PC or installed any software or installed any latest update on your Windows 11 PC. So if you're getting those options, so do not worry about it. Just select that date and restore your Windows 11 PC to the back date. Alongside that, you can click on Scan for affected programs. Once you'll do that, you'll see the information in here: program and driver that will be deleted, program and driver that might be restored. So these are the program and drivers gonna be restored, and these are the programs drivers will be deleted from my PC. So you can check this information to make sure you're not deleting any important file from your Windows 11 PC. Afterward, select your restore point, click Next and restore your Windows 11 PC to the back date. Method 3. Restore firewall settings. Here you have to restore your firewall setting because in a lot of cases, firewall cause a problem in our Windows PCs to block the certain file or folder. For to restore your firewall, click on Start, click on Settings. On the left hand side, you'll see Privacy and Security, click on it. Here, click on Windows Security, click on Open Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Scroll it down, you'll see Restore Firewall to Default. Click on Restore Defaults. After doing all of these, let's move on to the method 4, Full Control. Here you have to give a complete permission to your account user so that you can edit or do something else in your profile. For to give a full control, do a right click on that application, click on Show More Options, click on Properties in here. Click on Security. Here you'll see Group or Username. Select your username and here you can see I do not have any control. So click on Edit. and here you have to select this option and allow full control. Click apply, OK, and OK in here. Now I have a complete control over this application, or if you are trying to give a permission to a specific device, path or file, then you have to follow the same procedure to give an access, or we can say permission, for your username. After doing that, restart your PC and check if it helps you to fix your problem. So that's all for today. I hope our method will help you to fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.